Meaning of ill-timed.
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 Ill-timed. The term ill-timed refers to something that happens or occurs at an inappropriate or inconvenient moment. It is often used to describe actions, events, or behaviors that are poorly timed and result in negative consequences. For example, delivering a bad news at a wedding ceremony can be considered ill-timed. The effects of an ill-timed action or event could vary based on different factors like the context, situation, and people involved. However, in general, it can lead to disappointment, frustration, conflict, or missed opportunities. Timing is crucial in many aspects of life, and careful consideration should be given to avoid ill-timed actions.